If two black holes were to collide, it would be a truly extraordinary event with far-reaching consequences. First, it's important to understand what black holes are. A black hole is a region of space-time from which nothing, not even light, can escape. It is created when a star collapses at the end of its life and becomes so dense that its gravity becomes extremely strong. Black holes come in different sizes, with the smallest being the size of an atom but with the mass of a mountain, and the largest being as big as our entire solar system. When two black holes collide, it is known as a binary black hole merger. This occurs when two black holes orbit each other and eventually get close enough to merge into one. The process of two black holes merging is not well understood, but it is thought to be a violent and explosive event. The first thing that would happen is that the two black holes would begin to spiral towards each other. As they get closer, the gravitational forces between them would become stronger and stronger, causing them to accelerate. When they finally collide, the resulting explosion would be so powerful that it could potentially create a new black hole. The combined mass of the two original black holes would determine the mass of the new black hole, which could be significantly larger than either of the original ones. The collision of two black holes would also release an enormous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. These are ripples in the fabric of space-time that are created when objects with mass accelerate. They were first detected in 2015, and the detection of gravitational waves from the collision of two black holes was a major milestone in the field of physics. The release of gravitational waves during a black hole collision would be extremely powerful and could potentially be detected from billions of light years away. This would provide astronomers with a unique opportunity to study these incredibly powerful events and learn more about the nature of black holes and the universe itself. In addition to the release of gravitational waves, the collision of two black holes could also produce a burst of high-energy particles known as gamma rays. These particles could potentially be detected by telescopes and could provide further insights into the nature of black holes. It's worth noting that the chances of two black holes colliding are extremely small, as they are spread out across the vast expanse of the universe. However, the potential consequences of such an event would be truly staggering and could potentially have a significant impact on the universe as a whole. Overall, the collision of two black holes would be a truly extraordinary and potentially transformative event. It would provide astronomers with a unique opportunity to study these incredibly powerful objects and could potentially shed new light on the nature of the universe and the fundamental laws of physics.